Welcome to Pablo Red TV. Like, comment, subscribe below, and click on that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video. Now let's get into the video. YFN Lucci is a lucky man today. Hell, everyone around him is a lucky person today. They should all go out and buy some lottery tickets, because during the video shoot, his gun misfires and luckily no one got injured. YFN Lucci can be seen messing with the weapon, trying to figure it out when it goes off just moments after a female's foot was in that crossfire. Check it out. Roll the clip. It's crazy these accidents still happen, and Young Thug is of the same mindset as me. Check out his reaction. Young Thug, put that gun down, son. And I couldn't agree more with Young Thug. These aren't toys, and to be honest, if someone would have got hurt, YFN Lucci will have no one to blame but himself. It's your responsibility to check every strap you handle for it being loaded and safety on, and not to mention your finger should never be on the trigger unless you intend to do damage. So there's like 3 fails in this video. The gun was loaded, he didn't seem to know how to properly handle it, and his finger was on the trigger. This is a serious issue. There's plenty of reports of people actually being killed this way. Be responsible, people. Dead in a casket over a misfire is not even close to being gangster. But yeah, that's that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below.